What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This episode's gonna be a little different. We always, have our Z's in the channel and all that. This is gonna be for the G37. I'm not sure if you guys know, but it's my girlfriend's, and it's a manual black interior G37, super clean. She used to have the G35 before. If you've seen our old videos, but we're gonna finally do some little mods to it. So we're gonna get some lowering springs on. I picked this up locally, some Eibach Lowering Springs, and I got some Z1 camber arms. So we're gonna put all this on and go line the car. So I'm gonna get started in the front. So it's pretty much the brake lines, that lower bolt, and then the three ones up top. Hopefully I'm able to take it off that way without having to remove the upper control arm.
Alright guys, so the front suspension is done. We went ahead and installed the springs. The struts actually were on the springs, so it was kind of an easier install. Nothing too crazy or out of the ordinary. As you can see, everything is all bolted up. I'll show you guys on the other side. Same thing. Obviously, to the naked eye, you can't really tell, but they are Eibach Lowering Springs going on this G37. So yeah, we're gonna put the wheels on, get everything tight in the front, and then move on to the back. Giggity. Alright guys, so as you can see, we moved on to the rear of the car. Just a little tip and trick from the engineer here. Once you guys go ahead and get your camber bolts, line them up with your stock arm as opposed to your aftermarket arm, and then adjust so that it's somewhat even. This obviously isn't the alignment that is going to finalize the car, but just to get it to the alignment shop, it's definitely a little trick to make life easier and not have the car drive completely like shit. So definitely a good tip. Is this big wrench the size for that or no? For the arm?
So you just grab a random wrench and you thought it would be perfect.
Okay.
I think you're missing a bolt. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Someone saw it. Oh, I'll put it away. Okay. We got the nut right here, Green. It's a big swing.
So it still has to drop a little bit after you drive.
But the front is noticeably lower. Nice.
Well, yeah, I mean that was a big.
So obviously it's gonna settle a little bit more after the car gets driven, but right off the bat you can tell. We're gonna insert a before picture right now. So you can see. And you can tell noticeably in the rear that it has gone down. I do believe it will settle a little bit once it gets driven, but it already looks great. Definitely a huge difference. Super easy install, guys, nothing crazy, as you can see. So
All right, guys, so we're heading to the alignment shop now. Car looks fantastic, settled a little bit. We'll catch some little rolling shots on the way and stuff. We're all riding out, and it rides great. Alright guys, so you saw how it is. It is not too aggressive. I don't want it to be too aggressive. These are pretty much the least aggressive springs that they sell, but they're great because they maintain the OEM shocks life a lot better. I got a great deal on them, so couldn't pass it up. It definitely did a lot of drop to the front, not much to the rear, but what a difference. And it rides great, really. It rides just like it did before, and it just dropped it a little bit. We did go with smaller tires on the rear before the springs because we weren't sure which one we were going with. So once we replace the tires, we'll probably do 255s. These are 245s, and these are 18-inch wheels, by the way. 18 by 10, 9.5 plus 12 all around, with a 245, 40, 18 all around. Well, like always, guys, like, subscribe, comment, let us know if you have any questions.